how to add or remove the apps panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and from here, tap on display. Then we scroll down. In here, you want to tap on edge panels. So here it is, tap on edge panels. Make sure it is turned on so you can add in other panels. Next we go down and tap on panels and then tap on apps. So tap on apps. So tap on the checkbox here to remove the apps panel or to add it to the edge panels. So if I select it, it is now available in the edge panels. If I remove it, if I deselect the ready box, it will be removed from the edge panels. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.